We are back with another episode of Dining with Princess Gina, and tonight we have a grilled chicken sandwich for the girl. Yum. And I'm going to feed this to you, girl, so you're going to have to wait until Dad gets all set up. Oh, look at that. Yummy, yummy. Yum, girl. And we got cheese and grilled chicken in that. So good. Oh, she went down. Oh, gosh, she pulled the chicken out of the sandwich. It's okay, girl. Here, you can finish that one. And we got some roasted potato wedges. Yum, yum. Give you one more of these. Oh, Mom did a great job getting this meal ready for you. All right, let's try that. She's just an eating machine. Look at the cheese. That's so good. All right, girl, you got something else here. Yum, yum. Got another potato.